In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn the differentiation, the basic of differentiations. What is differentiation? How to find the differentiation? Sometimes it is written find the derivative. Also same. Sometimes it is written find dy over dx. Also mean differentiation. Sometimes find the y dash, it mean differentiation. Sometimes it is written find f dash x, it mean also differentiation. So before starting to solve the question, we need to know the basic rules. The first thing, there is a function f of x equal c. What is c? C is a constant, so the derivative f dash of x is equal to 0. The derivative of any constant is always equal to 0. Okay, then y equal, there is the formula, y equal x power n. Okay, what is n? It can be any number, so the derivative of this is dy over dx equal to, the power will multiply with the coefficient, so there is coefficient is 1, so n multiply 1 is n, and we subtract 1 from the power, n minus 1. This is the rule. Whenever you see the x, the derivative of x, power will multiply with the coefficient and subtract 1 from the power. This is the rule. For example, y equal x. So what is the power? Is 1. It is not written, it means 1. And what is the coefficient? Not written, it is 1. So the derivative dy dx equal, so 1 multiply 1 is 1, so x power 1 minus 1. We subtract 1 from the power, so power is 1, 1 minus 1, so x power 0, anything power 0 which is equal to 1. So remember, derivative of x always equal to 1. Derivative of x is always equal to 1. Let me solve one question. The question is y equal 3x plus 4 dy over dx equal, so derivative of x, just we learned, always equal to 1. 3 multiply 1, and derivative of 4 is a constant. The first rule I told you, the derivative of constant is always equal to 0. So dy over dx equal to 3 multiply 1, 3, 0, finish. This is our answer. We will try to solve one more question. So f of x equal to plus 4x minus x square. We will apply the rule which we learned in the beginning. So f dash x, f dash means the derivative of fx. Derivative of any constant which is equal to 0 plus 4, derivative of x is 1, minus power multiply with the coefficient. So coefficient is not given, it means 1. So 2 multiply 1 is 2. And the rule is subtract 1 from the power. So let us simplify. F dash x which is equal to 0, finished. 4 times 1 equal 4, minus 2. 2 minus 1, x power 1. 1 we don't write, so this is our answer, 4 minus 2x. I hope you understand. Okay, sometime they will give you a question like that. F of x equal x minus 3 into x plus 1. Now look here, there are two functions are multiplying, it is factorized. So we didn't study any rule. First we will expand the bracket, then we will find the derivative. So x multiply x, x multiply 1, x multiply x, x square, x multiply 1, x. Then minus 3 multiply x is minus 3x. Minus 3 multiply plus 1 is minus 3. Then x square plus 1 minus 3 equal minus 2x minus 3. So f of x equal x square. So now we can find the derivative, which is f dash of x. X square derivative is what? 2 will multiply with the coefficient. Coefficient is 1. 2 multiply 1 is 2. Subtract 1 from the power. So which is 2 minus 1, then minus 2, x derivative is 1, minus 3, 3 is a constant derivative always equal to 0. So 2x power 2 minus 1 is 1, we don't write. Power 1 we don't write, so it is same. 2 multiply 1 is 2. This is our answer. Okay, let us see one more question. If they will give you the x power in fraction, I mean a square root, then how can we find? For example, the question is y equal 2x square root. We learned the power, we have to write in the exponent form. So 2x power 1 over 2, because square root mean 1 over 2. So what is the rule? We will apply here dy over dx. Power multiply with the coefficient, so it means 2 times 1 over 2 x power. You know, we subtract 1 from power, 1 over 2 minus 1. Let us simplify more. 2 multiply 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 x power. So 1 over 2 minus 1 equal minus 1 over 2. So power is negative. If you will bring it in the denominator, it will be positive. So up we have 1, so 1 over x power 1 over 2, or 1 over 2 power mean square root of x. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Look at the next question. They gave you a polynomial. Find the derivative of a polynomial y equal 2x power 3 minus 5x square plus 6x minus 10. Okay, find the derivative. Derivative mean dy over dx. With respect of x, we are going to find the derivative. So what is the rule? Power multiply with the coefficient. So 3 times 2 equals 6, and we subtract 1 from the power. 3 minus 1 equal 2, minus, then power multiply with the coefficient. 2 times 5 equal 10, and we subtract 1 from power. 2 minus 1 is 1, we don't write 1, so keep same. Then plus 6, x coefficient derivative is 1 multiply 6 is 6, 10 is a constant, so 10 derivative is 0, so 6 plus 0, no need to write. So this is our answer. In one step I solved directly. Clear? I hope you understand. Okay, let us see the next question. If x power is given in the denominator, then how to solve it? For example, y equal 2 over x power 3. We didn't study any rule. The x is in denominator, so now it is denominator. What will we do? We will bring it in the numerator. So what will be the change? If I will bring it up, the power sign will change to x power will be minus 3. If you will bring something from down to up, power sign will change. If you will bring from up to down, the power sign change. Same thing we did here. It was power minus negative 1 over 2. When you bring down, it became plus 1 over 2. So same thing here. It was a positive denominator. When went up, it became negative. So now find the derivative. Dy over dx. Power multiply with the coefficient. So 3 minus 3 multiply 2 is minus 6. X power minus 3 minus 1. So minus 6 x power minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. This is our answer. But this is not the final answer. If the power is negative in the answer, must make it positive. How can I make it positive? Dy over dx equal minus 6. I will bring it in the denominator, so it will be x power positive 4. You know, if the power if the number comes from numerator to denominator, power sign change. Up to down, the power sign change. Down to up, power sign change. So it was negative 4. When come down, it became positive 4. I hope it is clear for you. Okay, this is the last question. Look at this question. X equal 10 t power 2 minus 10 over t power 2. In this question, again, denominator, the variable, whatever variable, before it was x, now it is t, no problem. It was y, now it is s, no problem. But we have to bring it up. If it will go up, the power sign change. So s equal 10 t power 2 minus 10 t power negative 2, because it was positive and went up, it became negative. Now ds over dt. So 2 multiply 10 equal 20. Then t power 2 minus 1 is 1, we don't write. Power 1 we don't write. Then minus 10 multiply minus 2 is plus 20. T power minus 2 minus 1. So the final answer ds over dt, which is equal to 20t plus 20 t power minus 3. Power is negative, so we will bring it down. So 20t plus 20 over t power 3. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching to learn mathematics. Take care. See you next time.